Have to have fun with your life and don't make your whole life about what's on your plate. Go and enjoy your life so you remember why you're eating so well to begin with.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck, okay?
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. So what about if you're going on a cruise? This is actually a big thing that people bring up for me when they're worried about going on the diet that's actually going to reverse their illness, is they're worried about enjoying a cruise. Listen, I love cruises. Thomas and I, we love cruises because they are a great place to get away from it all. Cell phone doesn't work, yay, right? You can go there and you can concentrate on your bliss. And if you've been watching my other videos, you know how much I tell you that you've got to have great self-care and you have to have fun with your life and don't make your whole life about what's on your plate. Go and enjoy your life so you remember why you're eating so well to begin with, right? So cruises are a great way to give yourself a treat where you're really going to heal, not the food. The food is total poison. Don't do that. Go for the experiences. You're going to have shows. You have a jacuzzi and a pool. You're going to be going on excursions to places. There's so much fun and relaxation to be had. And every cruise ship I've ever been on has a salad bar. So one person I was just talking to, she thought maybe she could bring her NutriBullet on and she can still bring her flax seeds and she can go to the salad bar and pack up her NutriBullet and go make a smoothie for herself every day. Fabulous. When Thomas and I go, we literally will go to the salad bar and we'll fill up our plates with salad, and then we'll go to the Mexican bar and grab the guacamole and the pico de gallo to put on top of our salad so we can have an oil-free and delicious dressing. You can do that for lunch and dinner. And guess what? If you're not sitting there for the 5-course meal for 2 hours, you can actually enjoy more of the scenes. You can go and be social. You can go to the shows. You can have a great time. So don't stop going on vacation because you're worried about your nutrition. Find a way to eat well and go and enjoy your life, because that's going to remind you why the heck you're trying to be healthy to begin with, which is to go and enjoy your life. So instead of thinking about what you can't do, think about how you're going to make it work for yourself so you can go out there and enjoy your family and your friends and go on that cruise and see the world. I hope you have a great time. You can do it.